I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an Acer laptop. This is an Acer Spin 3. The exact model is an SP314-21. And in this video I'm gonna show you guys, clarify a question. A lot of people keep asking me, how can I upgrade the RAM? Why does it in my task manager says that 1 out of 2 slot available, and should I supposed to have a RAM upgradability in here? And I keep telling him that there is no RAM damage on this laptop. Everything is soldered on the board, and they just don't believe me. So in this video, I'm going to make it really quick. I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to show you guys physically that you cannot upgrade the RAM on this laptop. The RAMs are soldered on the board. The only way you can upgrade the RAM is to take the motherboard to a repair shop. And what we do in the repair shop is to do something called a reballing the RAM chips. So we remove the RAM chips on the motherboard by a process of calling reballing. We remove them and we put a new RAM chips with a higher capacity. And that process is a really delicate process. Not every technician can do it, and sometimes it has a secondary effect that it keeps crashing because they didn't do a good job. So it's not something that you can do it at home like any other laptop. Just plug in a new RAM. Right, so let's cut the chase and go ahead and open this laptop up. So I'm going to open it up using a screwdriver set, a Phillips number 1, and I'm going to use a guitar pick to open it up. So we're going to remove all the bottom screws. All the bottom screws are the same size and height, so pretty much don't worry about mismatching them. And you shouldn't be opening yours if you want to upgrade RAM, because that's why I'm doing this video for you guys. If you guys are really stubborn about looking inside, so there's this video for you. So I do it so you guys don't have to. Let me pull this one out with a magnet. Also, if you guys like my videos, if you find my videos helpful and helping you guys out, if you have any question or request just like this one, you can click like and support the channel by clicking like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. Alright, once we remove all the screws, we're going to start peeling up the bottom cover by sticking the guitar pick in the corner. Just wiggling it around, make sure you get those nice big click sounds. Work all the way around the corner. Put it back, just lift it up, and there it comes. And there we have it. Right away, I can see a RAM. What does it look like? Oh, this is a RAM stick, DDR4. There is no RAM DIMM on the board that you can install or remove RAM DIMM. There's nothing on the bottom. There's no space on the other side of the board. And right over here, my spatula, I can see the RAM right under this foil spreader right here. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This has an 8 gig RAM on the board soldered. So if you want to increase your RAM, you have to desolder each one of these blocks, which are represented just like this one on a regular RAM, and upgrade them with a higher capacity. So that's the only way. There's nothing you can do in here to be able to upgrade or remove. So if your RAM is crashing, you're getting blue screen because of the RAM chip, then yeah, you still have to take it to a repair shop so they can remove and replace the RAM chip. Alright. So put it back together, grab the bottom cover, put it on top, squeeze the back corner, make sure you get those nice big click sounds. To finish it up, to put the bottom screws right on top. Again, I hope this clarifies why you cannot have or remove the RAM for your Acer Spin 3 models. Again, if you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Just gonna finish up putting up the bottom screen.